Visual Studio Code, right, you have this kind of extension which I liked and which I'm using. So you go under extension, right? If you haven't installed it, it won't show up. You have to search HTML preview, then you click on it, then on your side it will show a button which mentions install. Then you have to click it. That after clicking it, right, go to your code. On your code, okay, let me just go back on this part. Then on your code, on the screen, click where it says Control Shift P. Then we have to put something like I have to type preview. Okay, preview. Then I have to click on Open Logged Preview to the side. There it is. So it is going to show a preview of our HTML code website which we are dealing with on this side of the screen. Okay, so any moment you put any change, any moment you make any change on this HTML code, it will just show up on the side. People entered, as you can see, it will be live. It's kind of like different from the one which will go on run and start debugging, and we have to choose a internet browser. But so this one is the usual one which I use and most people use, right? So as you can see, this website function. But whenever you make any change on our program, right, we have to click save and then go and refresh. But on this one, all you just need to do is just click, you just enter, and it's a second line of code, or you just click save. So let me just change this one. I need to put an image code. Okay, let me just select this one, then I click Control save, then I go to my page. Then the moment I edit anything here, okay, reduce a space and add a space, you just see everything changes on this part of our preview. This one is a live one. So if you like the video, make sure to, if you have any question, make sure to comment below and I will just reply with what I know. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned.